Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing? We are going to talk all about this unit I am wearing right now. Believe it or not, this unit was only 30 bucks from Amazon. And I'm just going to show you a review and show you guys how I styled it and made it look nice and pretty. It is a synthetic unit. You know, we don't do synthetic too much, but if it's a synthetic baddie, I gotta let y'all know. Before we get into it, this is a baddie of all trades type of vibe, so we do fashion, hair, nails, makeup, and all of that good stuff. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure that you give me a big fat thumbs up, kiss that like button, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Okay? Okay. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so we have styled this unit, and at first I was like, y'all saw me laughing like, what the heck is this? But this unit is a quick throw on, and okay, wait, let me get myself together because I'm actually shocked and I keep staring at myself because I'm giving you real baddie vibes. I'm definitely gonna wear this for the week. It's just so pretty. It's just giving very much bougie curly vibe, but I just love the way the curls fall. I love how curly it is, and to think that this unit is 100% synthetic fiber, and it was $30 on Amazon. What are we talking about right now? What are we talking about? Because it was $30 on Amazon, I definitely want to say this. Look, the link down in the description box, and you need to cop one, because I mean, look at it. I mean, and you could just plop it on and go, bro. This is my week. This is my week. Like, this is my week right here. Like, I think it looks super. I just love it. Just keep in mind that this wig does not have any combs, so please don't get in no fight, y'all. Don't tussle with nobody. You know the girls like to tussle. Don't tussle with this wig on, because it's coming off. And I feel like I just feel like so pretty. I feel so pretty. I feel so pretty. I feel so pretty. I love this hair so much. So the only downfall I would say is I did wish it had combs, because I'm afraid that it will fall, but it is snug. So like, I just hope like the wind don't take it if it's a windy day. Just pay attention to that. The curls are really pretty. Even though it is synthetic, it doesn't have that like kind of shiny luster feel. I think it's really, really pretty, and I think it's gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. Anyway, now thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really, really love this hair. Y'all gotta go cop it. The link is down in the bio if you want to go. The link is down in the description if you want to go ahead and cop it up, grab it up, you know what I'm saying? Get it, get it, get it, let it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so hello. Okay, I'm getting off now, because I will sit here and just stare at myself the whole time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.